Let us solve for x and y given 2 raised to power x minus 2 raised to power y is equal to 4080. Here, the given equation is 2 raised to power x minus 2 raised to power y is equal to 4080. We want to find the integer solution of this. We have 2 raised to power x here is greater than 2 raised to power y. Therefore, x is greater than y. Let x is equal to y plus k, where k is any integer. Then we have 2 raised to power s can be written as 2 raised to power y plus k, because s is equal to y plus k, and minus 2 raised to power y is equal to 4080. If you have a raised to power m plus n, this is equal to a raised to power m multiplied by a raised to power n. This can be written as 2 raised to power y multiplied by 2 raised to power k minus 2 raised to power y is equal to 4080. You can see that 2 raised to power y is common. Let's bring it out. 2 raised to power y bracket 2 raised to power k minus 1 is equal to 4080. Now here we have 4080. This is divisible by 2. 2 here we have 2040. Then this is divisible by 2. This is 1020. This is also divisible by 2. This is 510. And this is divisible by 2. This is 255. Then let's see. This is 255. Here is 1. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 raised to power 4 multiplied by 255. Therefore, 4080 is equal to 2 raised to power 4 multiplied by 255. This can be written as 2 raised to power y bracket 2 raised to power k minus 1 is equal to 4080 can be written as 2 raised to power 4 multiplied by 255. Now here, this is even. This is odd. This is even. And this is odd. So we have 2 raised to power y will be equal to 2 raised to power 4. This is equation 1. Then here, 2 raised to power k minus 1 is equal to 255. This is equation 2. Let us consider this. 2 raised to power y is equal to 2 raised to power 4. Then they have the same base 2. Y is equal to 4. This is the value of y. Also, 2 raised to power k minus 1 is equal to 255. Then 2 raised to power k is equal to 255 plus 1. 2 raised to power k is equal to 256. But 256 is equal to 2 raised to power 8. Then 2 raised to power k is equal to 2 raised to power 8. You have the same base 2. K is equal to 8. Here is the value of k. Recall that s is equal to y plus k, and we've got the value of y here, which is 4, and k is 8. Therefore, s is equal to 4 plus 8. S is equal to 12. This is the value of s. Therefore, our final answer are s is equal to 12, y is equal to 4. This is the final answer. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let us check. To check, we have the given equation 2 raised to power x minus 2 raised to power y is equal to 4080. Then this is 2 raised to power x is 12 minus 2 raised to power y is 4, must be equal to 4080. 2 raised to power 12, that is 4096, minus 2 raised to power 4, 16, must be equal to 4080. 4096 minus 16, this is 4080, is equal to 4080, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe. Bye.